Installation method of shower water heater. Fix the two ends of the main engine on the wall with screws.
Attention! Be sure to mount the machine vertically on the wall.
Put the waterproof sealing ring into the water temperature regulating valve. Install the water temperature regulating valve at the inlet at the bottom of the machine. Connect the feed hose to the triangle valve. Connect the other end of the water inlet hose to the water temperature regulator. Install the shower bracket in a suitable position on the wall. Connect the shower to the hose. Attach the nut to the outlet.
First use must put cold water first.
Put the plug in the plug.
Turn to the boiling water valve. The greater the water, the lower the temperature. Turn the water to the right. The smaller the water, the higher the temperature. Pay attention to this machine can only be used for bathing, can't be converted to use as a kitchen treasure.